National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 10:30 p.m. At 9:28 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Marengo to Sycamore, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Aurora, Naperville, Elgin, Cicero, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Palatine, Skokie, Des Plaines, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, Mount Prospect, Wheaton, Hoffman Estates, Oak Park, Downers Grove, Glenview, and Elmhurst. The Metcalfs should seek safe shelter, including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 275 and 294. Interstate 57 between mile markers 355 and 358. Interstate 88 between mile markers 124 and 140. Interstate 90 between mile markers 22 and 25. Interstate 94 between mile markers 26 and 68. Interstate 290 between mile markers 1 and 29. Interstate 294 between mile markers 26 and 68. Interstate 355 between mile markers 17 and 30. This includes Brookfield Zoo, Lincoln Park Zoo, Loyola University, Open Community College, Schaumburg Boomers Baseball, Toyota Park, Triton College, University of Chicago, College of DuPage, DuPage County Fairgrounds, Elgin Community College, Fermilab, Harper College, Hawthorne Park, Kane County Cougars Ballpark, Morton Arboretum, Northeastern Illinois. The following